You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, at least names that confuse people, stay tuned. I've got many more for you at the end of this video. There are two slightly different pronunciations. It's both male or female, I hear. Sonu, that would be a bit more English, British English pronunciation, Sonu. In the US, it's often pronounced as Sonu as well. Sonu. How do you pronounce it? Sonu, Sonu, or Sonu? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.